So this blend here, I call this cough drop. It's a blend of different herbs that helps to stop cough. A lot of folks have, it's a cough. A lot of folks got sick earlier this year. Then even a lot of folks may or may not have signs and symptoms of this coronavirus that's circulating all around. And one of the signs and symptoms of that is a cough. And sometimes that cough can be chronic and hard to get rid of. So we're going to review the herbs in this formula. This is Ampang Dahai. It's actually a seed. In that seed is kind of like when you boil this seed, it like really puffs out. It almost like explodes a little, and inside, the substance inside turns into like a jelly, and that jelly helps to moisten the throat for like a sore throat, cough, hoarseness in the voice, loss of voice. It also helps to moisten the intestines if anyone has any constipation. This is light futza. This is radish seed. A lot of times we use this for digestion, but for this formula, it also helps with stopping cough, getting rid of excess phlegm in the body. This is sha shen. This is in the category of lung yin. The yin fluids, like yin and yang, or some people say yin and yang in the body, the yin fluids in the body really help to lubricate the organs and the joints, and the lungs must stay moist. So this helps to moisten the lungs. This is sutze, which is perilla seed. This also helps to stop cough and get rid of excess phlegm that's in the lungs. The seed also contains natural oils that help to lubricate the intestines. This is Sangbai Pi. This is the cortex, the covering over the root of mulberry, like the mulberry fruit. This is from the root. This also helps to stop cough, get rid of excess phlegm, especially that yellow kind of phlegm when you have, we say, like heat in the lungs, heat toxicity. Sometimes that mucus can be hard to expectorate, hard to get out when you cough, so this helps to loosen that mucus up. This is gualo pea. Gualo is a fruit, and this is the rind from that fruit. This also helps to stop cough, wheezing, any excess phlegm, also like that yellow phlegm. This is pipaye, the loquat or loquats, the fruit, little kind of orange, citrus sort of fruits. This is the leaf from that tree. This also helps to stop cough and wheezing, getting rid of excess phlegm. This is huang chi, astragalus root, one of those like adaptogens, and this really helps to strengthen the lung chi, strengthen up the lungs. This is qian hu, another herb that helps to stop cough and wheezing, helps to transform phlegm. This is licorice. Licorice strengthens the lungs, the chi of the lungs, the chi of the entire body. In acupuncture, we have 12 main meridians, 12 main channels of the body that correspond to different organ systems of the body. This is the only herb that actually goes to all 12 channels of the body. All of these herbs actually go to different meridians in the body, but that's a whole lecture in itself. This is Juhua, which is chrysanthemum flowers. This is in here if anyone has any fever, excess heat, headache, sore throat. This helps to clear the heat. This also has a nice flavor to it to smooth out the formula some. And this is shan yao, which is Chinese white yam. This also helps to strengthen the lung qi, the vital energy of the lungs. This also helps to moisten the lung yin to stop cough and moisten the lungs. So together, these all again make up the tea that I call cough drop, an original formula based off of the principles of all of these herbs, and it's excellent for the body.